Hi everyone. Last week I got an idea to create a table clock. So let's get started. So it has a time module, one temperature sensor and one OLED display. So the first step to set up the time module in the breadboard. The second step is test the OLED display and the temperature sensor. And the third step is to integrate all the components in the board. Here I have used a Tiny85 as a microcontroller. It has a 5 pin and 2 PWM pin. Here the two module, the time module and an OLED display module is connected through I2C protocol. RTC module and display module is connected through VCC ground and 0 and 2. So 0 is the data pin and 2 is the clock pin. And temperature sensor is connected to the pin 4 of the microcontroller. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.